So everyone's dream as a trader is to just be home relaxed and be able to make millions and thousands of dollars on just your phone. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how we can set up MT4 or MetaTrader 4 on our mobile phones and be able to set up my simple strategy so you can be able to be relaxed at home and make money with forex. Welcome back. So my name is Junior. This is the bagendajunior trading platform. We talk about forex, how we can simplify it, so that you, the traders, can be able to learn forex very fast. So if you're new on here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and let's get started, guys. So the first thing that you will notice is that I'm only trading 5 currencies. So the reason I'm trading 5 currencies is that I'm able to manage and see all the movements of these currencies. Then also I've mastered all these currencies for all the years I've been trading. I've mastered their movement. So you should also take notice of this and just reduce your currencies to just a few, not trading 10 currencies, this helps you monitor them and know their movements, each of them, because you see I'm trading gold, Bitcoin, US30, NAS, US 100, or the one you call NAS 100 or NASDAQ, then GBP, USD. These are the currencies that I'm trading. So take notice of this and this will help you trade a few currencies and master them, guys. So I hope you do so. So what you want first to do is come here, press this F. When you press this F, you come to the main window. Then you come to the main window, you're going to look for the moving average. You're going to look for the moving average just up here. When you tap this moving average, so this is 21 period, smoothened, as you can see. So I'm going to make this 200 moving average, yes, and I want it at smoothened moving average. Then I'm going to choose my color. I'm going to choose my color green, just like that. Then press off. Then again come back here, press this off. Choose another moving average. Then this I'm going to make it 50. Then this is also, the method is smoothing moving average. Then the color has to be the color is going to be blue, just like this. Then pixels, you'll leave it on 4 so you're able to see it very well, just like this. So then we have another one. Another moving average. So another one is the 21 moving average. Yeah, so we shall add it like this, 21. Then the method has to be smoothen. Then the color, we shall name it red, like that. So as you can see, this is my moving average. I have the 200 moving average, I have the 21 moving average, and the 50 smooth moving average, as you can see. So the colors don't matter. You can name all these moving averages any color of your choice. So what I like to add is the RSI, so that to be able to identify direction of the market well, and also be able to see momentum from either the buyers or the sellers. So what you want to do is come here, press this F right here, then come to the main window, then scroll down, then you'll see RSI here. It's called, the RSI in full is relative strength index. So the RSI has so these are not the default settings. The default settings are 20, no, the default settings are 80, no, the default settings are 70, 30, and in the middle 50, but these are mine, 85, 15, and 50. So I'll just press done. So as you can see, on the upper side we have the moving average, and on the lower side we have the RSI. So most times what I like to do is to take trades in between when price crosses over from one moving average to the other. So let's say right here I will take trade. Let me choose this. So I would take trade here. And exit here from just this level. So the reason why I would have done that is because when price is price is below here, it means the selling momentum is too much. When but prices crosses this upper 50 level, as you can see, because you see my RSI has the 85 level, the 50 level and 15 level. So let me first explain this. So when prices are below the 50 level, it means the selling momentum is too much. But when the price is above the 50 level, it means the buying momentum is too much. So I will take a trade just here. So as you can see here, I will take a buy trade, because you see when you have a big candle that represents much buying pressure, and then on the RSI down here we have price crossing the 50 level, which means the buying momentum is too much. So how would I know my take profit? Because remember, this is scalping, we are scalping, guys. This is scalping US30. So I would just as you can see, this level right here, market was here, market was here, market was here. So I will just take a quick 10 pips, 20 pips just from here to here when price comes up to this level. Because most times when price touches the next moving average, it likes to consolidate. But now we had like a very good move to the upside. So because you see, as I've told you, when on the RSI, when price is above the 50 level, it means the buying momentum is too much. And here we had a very good uptrend up to when price came to this level. So meaning you take a quick trade from this level to this level, another level from this level to that level, and now when price reached up here, it started to consolidate here, or it started to correct, guys. So the best, so that's one of the ways you would take trade. Then the other way you would take a trade here is when the red EMA crosses the blue EMA. So the red moving average, the smooth moving average, when it crosses the blue moving average. So take notice here, when price crossed here and price was above here, we had strong momentum. So on the RSI we have strong buying momentum, and on the RSI we have, and on the moving average you have the EMA crossing. So this is an indication that price was going to go up even more. Then what we have here is price going up. So remember, this is scalping, we're just scalping, we're not staying in. So you just enter and come out small money, enter and come out small money, because remember, scalping is just getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. It's not staying for 100 pips, because this is scalping, guys. So if you're a day trader, you should know this. You should know the difference between scalping and day trading and swinging. Scalping is in and out, in and out. So as I told you, when this red moving average, smooth moving average crosses the blue moving average, we take a trend. But also you have to take notice on the RSI. What's the momentum? Is the momentum, buying momentum, too much or less? Then we would take another trade if the red smooth moving average, this crosses the green. So meaning it has crossed both moving averages. So meaning that would be an indication that okay, the market was still going up. As you can see, market went up crazy. So meaning you take a trade that's still 10 pips, 20 pips, guys, but still you have to make sure that on your RSI momentum is too much for buying. Then how do you know that market is going to reverse? As you can see, the 200 smooth moving average is it crossed the red and is now crossing. The red is the 21 moving average, and the blue one is the 50 moving average. So when the green one, which is the 200 moving average, crosses both the red and the blue one, it means we have reversal. We have reversal to the downside. Market is going to go down, and you can even confirm that on the RSI. Remember, I told you when market is above the 50, meaning the buying momentum is too much, and when price is below the 50 on the RSI, it means the selling pressure is too much, or the selling momentum is too much. Then you can just see what happened here, guys. You can see what happened here. Prices started dropping. So meaning at just here when prices were crossing, I would have taken a quick sell, 10 pips, 20 pips, okay? And depending on what lot size you are risking, you are trading with. So if I'm using a standard lot size, which is 1, I would have made, if my target is just 20 pips, 10 pips, with 10 pips I make $100 with one lot size, depending on the lot size you are using, guys. So as I've told you, when price is below the 50 level on the RSI, that's much selling pressure, which we have here. So guys, that's how you would be able to use this simple strategy. All you have to do, you have to make sure that the RSI is it's in the same direction as the moving average. So you use the moving average to identify where to take a trade, then you just use the RSI to confirm, okay, the buying momentum is too much or the selling momentum is too much, guys. As you can see, wherever the lines cross, market goes down, and here they tell you, here they show you everything. As you can see, market went down, market was below the 50. Then the market is coming up here. When it's coming up here, you see the buying momentum is too much, guys. So that is a very simple strategy, guys, that you can use just by using the moving average, the smoothened moving average, and the RSI. So I'm going to leave the settings for the RSI and the settings for the moving average in the link below. So make sure to check them out. Make sure to check them out and apply them to your trading, guys. Let me hope this was a very educative video to you guys, and let me hope you apply these same things, this same strategy on your MT4 and be able to trade from home, guys. So if you're new around here and this is your first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe. And for the old people that have been watching these videos, keep on supporting, keep on commenting, and let's go, guys. See you in my next video.